Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you guys can see, pretty much what it is a smart Wi-Fi light bulb or LED light bulb by the brand called Gosund. So first things first, let me actually unbox and show you guys what comes out of the package first, and then we're gonna go through the test and everything. So first thing you pretty much get inside right here is a 2-pack of the light bulb. There's option to buy 1 or 2 or 4 depending on how many you guys actually need. And then inside there's an instruction guide, a manual on how to set up the product and how to use it. If you can see, so it tells you how to connect the app onto the device and how to control it on the app and how to control it using your voice if you guys have like Alexa or Google Assistant device. So really easy to use and really easy to set up. The app that they use is called Smart Life app, similar to the other one that they use for a smart plug, and then they have like a light switch as well. So both of the light bulbs are pretty much the same thing. If you guys can see, this is pretty much what it looks like. If you guys can see, they have the little logo right here, and then here's the light bulb. Nothing else really to it. You just plug this in, and then when you guys plug it in, the light will start flashing. So when the light is actually flashing, that means that it's ready to be paired. And then once you guys finish pairing it, will stop blinking, and then it'll just turn on like a regular light, and you guys can just start using it. So pretty much the only way for us to find out whether or not it's actually worth it is to go test it out and set it all up. So let's go do that first and then come back and talk about the product. So pretty much the way to connect the device onto the app is you have to use the app called Smart Life. And then once you guys are able to add the device, you should go to this page. So I preset it already, if you guys can see. So pretty much when you finish setting up, the light should start flashing and it should show like the device is synced and everything. So here's the page after you guys finish syncing it on the Smart Life app. When you guys finish syncing on here, you guys can sync it onto the Alexa device or Google device depending on what you have. So I have the Alexa device, so I can control the light setting on here and everything. If you guys can see, the light right now is pretty bright, but if I tell it to change a different color like this, Alexa, change the color of light to blue. You guys can see the whole room right now is all blue. If I change it to, I don't know, red, Alexa, change the color of light to red. So it takes a while, but it does work. And then if you guys want to, you guys can control the setting on the scenes and everything on the app as well. So like on the Smart Life app or the Alexa app as well. I believe you can do it on the Alexa app as well. And then what's also cool about this is the fact that you guys can actually change the setting of the light to low, high, or what percentage. So let me show you guys what I mean. Alexa, change the percentage of light to 2%. So you guys can see it changed to 2%. If I change it to 100, it'll go back to really bright light. Alexa, change the light to 100%. So it's back to 100% brightness, which is the max brightness on the light, which is really nice. A lot of other ones that I've tested for the light bulb that can change the color and everything, it doesn't work as well, or like the brightness is not that good. Whereas this one is really bright for the regular light bulb, and on top of that you guys can use different color setting, but the color setting is not that bright, it's actually quite low. So the blue light is actually not that strong, but right now you guys can see it looks strong, but then when you actually hear and seeing the color of the light is not that strong, not that bright, which is good in a way because you don't want it to be too bright and it'll actually hurt your eye and whatnot. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see that it's pretty easy to set up. It recognized it really fast. It didn't take that long to set up, and like everything about it is really easy to use, like changing the light settings, using the Alexa device to change it from white to change it to blue or red or some other color is really easy. If you guys don't want to use your voice to turn it on because you guys don't have Alexa device, or you just don't want to use your voice to turn it on, you guys can actually use the app to control the different setting on there. So this is pretty much what the screen looks like. If you guys can see, all you have to do is just click this to turn off and on. On the bottom there's a white option, there's a color option if you guys don't want to use white or you guys want to use color. If you guys go to color, you guys can change all the different color settings on here, and then how bright you want it, and the saturation for the light as well. There's also different scenes that you guys can change it to, so there's a night one, there's a reading one, etc. So now that we saw the test and everything about the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this product in particular costs around $25. If you guys really want to be extra and want to just step up your game in your house or whatever, then this light bulb will be really worth it because it has the option where you can connect it to Wi-Fi to turn off without actually going to the light switch to turn it off. And on top of that, you guys can control the settings of the brightness and also the color options if you guys want to use color or white. But obviously if you guys don't need this or have no use of this, obviously don't buy and save your money for something else that you guys actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have